Again, we're inside the fast food giant McDonald's dedicated unit for those eye-catching behind-the-scenes moments. They collect ingredients from a variety of high-quality providers. For example, from here, they only import burger buns. So let's talk about them first. So it all starts with these massive industrial machines that proof the dough twice and then punch it down again to make it simpler to transport. Yes, they will now use the proof components to make light and fluffy dough balls. Look at how neatly they roll them up. To keep things simple, a small amount of dry flour is dusted all over them. Who wants to watch sticky dough messing up things? Am I right? Now the dough balls are mechanically deposited into their designated molds, where they will rise again and bake later. Did you know that every McDonald's hamburger contains 250 calories with no artificial flavors, preservatives, or color additives? Notice the egg sprayer and sesame seed topping? They are all prepared to be roasted in the massive ovens. Yes, the ovens are so large and well organized that they can continue to bake the buns for a certain amount of time until they reach a glossy golden finish. Yeah, once the targeted baking is completed, just look at these straight rows of thousands of buns. It's impossible not to admire it. You won't believe that McDonald's serves over 69 million consumers per day in more than 100 countries around the world. Even though the recipe for McDonald's hamburgers has been virtually identical since they first began serving them in 1948, every safety standard is strictly followed, guaranteeing they are perfectly delicious and your burgers arrive quickly after ordering. This meat came from the happiest cows. Surely it will be excellent. I'd never know. I'm not a big lover of hamburgers. What do you think? Is it worth a shot? Should I try it at least once? Because they have taken the grinding process very seriously, they continue to grind the entire meat until it is fine enough to add more flavors. Not much, but a small amount of seasoning is added and churned again to achieve the smooth and rich consistency required for juicy and tasty hamburger patties. Thorough mixing allows the meat to stay together better when shaping it into burger patties. Second, it distributes flavors and seasonings more evenly, making each bite extra delicious. Once molded, the patties will be frozen for a few hours to prevent damage during shipment. Additionally, they will keep the freshness inside. As soon as they receive the green signal, they are wrapped, protecting them from any unforeseen twists and ensuring they remain in great condition until they arrive at their destination. No hamburger is complete without a few extra pickles. Would you agree? They're taking special care to thoroughly clean these flavor bombs. We need to keep things clean. But hold on, don't go overboard. They are quite delicious, but you should also monitor your health. So we would appreciate it if you could consume such meals in moderation. So enjoy your pickles, but perhaps not with every bite. They're simply soaking the pickles in a brine solution to keep them fresh. Actually, it isn't merely fresh. The high salt concentration in brine creates an environment conducive to pickle preservation and shelf life extension. We've seen our buns, pickles, and patties ready. What comes next is tomato sauce. It's a crucial component to make the burgers extra delicious, but we'll also show you how McDonald's mustard sauce is made, so relax and prioritize cleanliness. First, the tomatoes receive a full spa treatment. It's not just about hygiene, it's about making every tomato shine brightly. These juicy beauties are high in fiber, ensuring that digestion goes smoothly. But wait, there's more. Tomatoes are high in antioxidants, such as lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and inflammation. Check out the massive automation. It's quite peaceful, and if you enjoy watching such videos, you've come to the correct place. So after the tomatoes have been thoroughly soaked, staff meticulously sort them to remove any dirt or debris that may have gotten in during the washing process. Take a peek at these huge boilers. Yes, that is the power hub. These tomatoes are ready to enjoy a hot bath with the temperature exactly set. Steaming is also important for killing any harmful germs that may still be present on the tomatoes. They are now completely cleaned and peeled. Why the second bath after boiling, if this inspires an idea? So it's all about getting those skins off effortlessly. Once soft, the tomato skins easily peel off, ensuring that neither rotting tomatoes or remaining skins interfere with the sauce's smoothness. If things are going well for you and you are enjoying this video, please motivate us so that we can continue to generate material for you and keep you entertained. That's where these professionals come in, perfecting every detail. If some peels are left behind, these smooth rollers ensure that each tomato is bare, revealing the interior flesh. Only a little sorting is required to ensure that everything is in order. Now these belts take the steamed and peeled tomatoes for a second check, and with the help of some labor, the cleaned and skin-free tomatoes make it to the grinders. The tomato paste is now ready and has been collected in numerous bags to keep it fresh. Once the paste is ready to be processed, they take a small amount of it to see if it is ready. The vacuum pipes begin to release undesirable gases and air pressure, sending down the pure tomato paste required to make the famous ketchup. The procedure has started. First, the tomato paste is added, followed by other flavor-enhancing components, then churned to create the smooth tomato sauce. Look closely. Those are the secret ingredients that go into your ketchup bottles, and you crave more and more with each meal. These elegant flask-shaped bottles are ready to be filled with ketchup. The skilled minds behind the scenes have made sure there is no mess or dribbling. Now, as these wonderful machines seal each bottle tightly, notice how they do so with precision, keeping everything pristine and clean-cut. These neatly attached labels on each container normally represent all of the essential characteristics, such as the brand name, contents, health facts, and some storage instructions. You'll never see the laborers doing this tedious chore again. They've placed everything on automation and are now preparing fresh, shredded lettuce for tasty burgers. Its crunchy leaves can soak up extra liquids from the burger and other ingredients, keeping the bread from becoming soggy. Look how wonderfully they will wash and dry the excess water from the lettuce. This will keep the lettuce crisper for a longer period of time, or at least until you finish your burger. It has been cleaned, cut, and dried, and is now ready for serving. Just a short pause to absorb what I was saying. Here's how to make the most wonderful and wacky mustard sauce you may or may not enjoy, but from what I've heard, no hamburger is complete without it. Finally, this is your best bet. Simply watch this delicious assembly of your favorite hamburger and let me know if you've seen this thorough video before. Burgers without fries aren't the complete package, right? They are being chopped into precise uniform forms using these fantastic blades that are nothing short of spectacular. Following a thorough wash, they are dried with precision air pressure before being neatly packaged into equal parts. Drinks, anyone? We were able to get inside the Sprite factory today, where you can see some amazing behind-the-scenes footage of putting those fancy drinks into millions of bottles. This complex circular automated machine works with accuracy, filling bottles as they pass along, ensuring that every sip delivers a pleasant taste. This classic lemon-lime soda is enjoyed in more than 190 countries, cementing its position as one of the world's most widely distributed soft beverages. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes content on how your favorite treats are made.